enjoy the video, you know, people. I don't know anything already. Yeah, people, so we are walking streets here. We see our Kingston streets there. Yeah, man, we are walking streets here. We show no what going on, you see it? So me I walk and go over Tropical Plaza, you see it, people? Yeah, man, this time me I walk. Oh yeah, run off your stomach, G. Real Jamaican aki, you know, man, you see it? Yeah, man, that's a showcase, a Dex meter from Portland, so that's a make a little walk through and show people them walk on the town, you see it? Yeah, man, big up yourself. How would them for Oxter? Who them for Oxter for fine? Who them for Oxter?
Aki man.
Aki man, alright, right, I say all is there.
Yeah, man, most of the time.
How you call it? What you call it? Constant Spring?
Constant Spring, Pablo's.
Eh? Pablo's. Pablo's, alright, alright. Go and big up yourself. Alright, so then say a Pablo's with it, you see it? Plaza name, Central Plaza, you see it? Alright, that's so. Say belt man. Say belt. Yeah, the belt man. Alright, my G. Yeah, they're funny. You say, I saw the people can find the belt them. Alright, my G. Belt them look good, you see it, my G? Yeah, you always there, so. Yeah. Alright, one next time when we patronize a business, you see it? Because belt them look good. Yeah, alright. Alright. Over there, so look like a shoe store place, you see it? Yeah, man. And we approach mothers, you know, people, you see it? Famous Jamaican mothers party. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Over there, so we KFC Plaza there. Holy public thing over there. Then call it the spring. Whoa, the spring. But I really want to go over Tropical Plaza and show you what I'm going to Tropical Plaza, you see it? Alright, so you have to wait, you know, people. You see it, it's on the red now. So you can't take no chance and say you have to cross. Because you know you cross a problem. You have to wait till it change. Alright, it's like a full time, you know. Alright, so we are going to cross, you know. You see it, people. Alright, people, so right now, I approach Tropical Plaza. See sign there? Tropical Plaza. So I'm just going to tour the place. Alright, people, so we take our time and I go through seeing, you see it? Yeah, we take our time and I go through. Alright, that's how them have a digital place. Everybody wait. Yeah, bring it up. Alright, so we take our time and go through seeing. You see people? See it there? They have the place named Tropical Mall. Right, so then sell bike and everything, you see it? Tropical Mall is very big. Nah, tell no lie, big. Tropical Mall. Right, so you have Lee Fits. Alright, so I have Lee Fits. The next close store, this is it. Oh, this is still Leaf Fits to the people. Leaf Fits.
Hello,
Right, so them have Flow Jamaica. Right, so you have burger place. Burger. Right, so you have What's New. Yeah, me always shop at What's New. They sell every little thing like computer, gadgets, and then something. There's it. Alright, so them have Devon House. Yeah, yes sir. Wow, if anything, later, me go do some more videos, is it? But I just show you what going on over here, seeing we see it, people. Hopefully you wanna enjoy. Got a long time we not done a video like this. Alright, see there? Samsung place. I get a Samsung phone. It's a Samsung store. Yeah. Right, so you know. Yeah, but HP store. Wow. Everything there over here, man. It's an Apple thing. Everything. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you know, people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, with their beautiful Kingston. What I like it over here to people, the parking, yeah, the parking is very good. Yeah, the parking lot is very nice. Very convenient. Yo, what kind of case you have there? 11 Pro Max. You want see phone?
Want something that can protect you?
I don't like when you case them too durable one way, you know, because...
You don't like when I'm big?
Yeah. Something where that's all good in a man see, you see?
Simple.
Yeah. You see, yeah.
How about this?
Yeah man, this nice. Yeah man, this nice. So much I give me this, huh? Buy a deal. I told him to give me a deal, man. I never really planned to buy, you know, but I see me see him and say, yo, I want a case, you see it? How much we can get?
Me too, guy. You want the temper glass?
Yeah, I want a glass case. From where do you want a glass, real? You can put it on, though?
Yeah.
Soon I forgot change the phone, you know, people, but go and hold it for now, yeah, man. Popping. Yeah, man. What's on? Open garden.
One hour, yo.